Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter oats. Gather 1 cup rolled oats, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, and a pinch of salt. Combine oats and milk in a bowl or pot, cook or soak until tender, then stir in peanut butter until smooth. Top with fruit or nuts for texture and extra flavor. Enjoy warm or chilled depending on your preference. Start by heating 2 cups liquid in a small pot until it simmers gently. Add 1 cup rolled oats and reduce to medium-low, stirring regularly for 5 to 7 minutes until thickened. Remove from heat, stir in 2 tablespoons peanut butter and a pinch of salt until glossy and smooth. Spoon into a bowl and add toppings like sliced banana, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or crunch from nuts. If you're enjoying this guide, subscribe and like to support future videos and recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep your peanut butter oats fresh and spill-free, perfect for work lunches or gym snacks. They stack neatly and save time when portioning. Check the description for the link and other deals and snag a set if you want convenience. Now let's get back to the video. Combine 1 cup rolled oats with 1 cup milk or yogurt in a sealed jar for easy mornings. Add 2 tablespoons peanut butter and mix well so it blends evenly, then sweeten lightly with honey or maple syrup if you like. Refrigerate overnight for at least 6 hours. In the morning, stir and add toppings like fresh berries or seeds, or warm briefly if you prefer a cozy bowl instead of cold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.